Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at a 2012 Nissan Rogue. This is a 5-passenger SUV in gray, driving on 17-inch wheels. Now, helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. We're going to press that unlock button once. Now inside the driver's side, up top you have your power windows and locks with some storage on the bottom. Now inside this Nissan comes equipped with black and gray fabric seating. We have our key here. We're going to start this Nissan up. Oh, the key went in the wrong way. We're going to start this Nissan up. Now, on the steering wheel, you have your audio controls, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition. On the right side, you will find your cruise control settings. If you take a quick look in the odometer, you can see this Nissan has 98,673 kilometers on it. Moving on to our display here, right now we're on the auxiliary option. If we press this auxiliary, that'll cycle through your auxiliary option, of course, and your USB. You also have your AM and FM. You have a CD as well. You can also press this display button to shut that screen on and off. If we go into reverse here, that'll bring up the backup camera for you. Now underneath is the climate control. It is a single zone. You have these sturdy little dials here. You'll find your driver and passenger heated seats all the way on the bottom. You do also have your sport mode along with your 2 cup holders. Taking a quick look inside the back here, we are continuing with the mixed fabric seating. Take a closer look behind the front driver's seat. You have an extra storage compartment. The rear seats do also fold down. There's a little handle here. If we pull that upwards, the seats will fold, giving you access to your cargo. Taking a last look at our Nissan Rogue, once again, some of those great features includes your roof rails, backup camera, and driver and passenger heated seats. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We are located here at 200 Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail.